Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and software because lockdown options vary by one UI version. Once done, unlock the phone with your PIN or biometrics and open settings. Make sure you have admin access. You should back up any important data first. This prevents accidental loss if a reset is required. Then go to lock screen settings and locate secure lock options. This first sequence prepares the device and gives you the permissions needed to actually modify lockdown controls. You now go deeper. Open Settings, tap Lock Screen, then Secure Lock Settings. Here you'll see the lockdown switch labeled Show Lockdown Option or Emergency Lockdown depending on version. Turn that toggle off. When prompted, enter your device PIN or password to confirm the change. This removes the Quick Access Lockdown tile or option and stops forced disabling of biometrics during a lockdown. If your One UI labels differ, look for anything mentioning emergency or lockdown and disable it in the same way. Complete the process by restarting the phone so settings apply consistently, then test the lock screen and biometric unlock to confirm behavior. If you don't see the lockdown option, make sure your OS is up to date and remove any device admin or enterprise profiles that enforce lockdown. Once done, recheck secure lock settings. If settings revert, factory reset as last resort after backing up. This clears policy-enforcing profiles and lets you regain normal lock screen behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.